Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your elephant bubble gun. First, gently remove your new bubble gun from its packaging. Next, find the battery compartment, usually on the handle, and insert 3 AA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Finally, twist the bubble solution bottle onto the designated opening, making sure it's tight to prevent leaks. You are now ready for some bubbly fun. Now, let's get that bubble solution ready. If your gun has a tray, pour the solution into it, filling it about 1/2 full. Otherwise, carefully pour it directly into the gun's reservoir. Dip the elephant's trunk or nozzle into the solution for about 5 to 10 seconds to allow it to soak up. Remember not to overfill, as this can cause spills. With your gun primed, it's time for action. Simply press and hold the trigger. You'll hear a gentle whirring sound as the fan activates, and a delightful stream of bubbles will emerge from the elephant's trunk. For the best results, move the gun slowly and steadily. After playing, a quick wipe of the nozzle will keep it ready for your next bubble adventure. To keep your elephant bubble gun in top condition, always store it in a dry, clean spot away from direct sunlight. If you plan on not using it for a while, it's a good idea to remove the batteries to prevent any potential corrosion. For even more fun, consider trying different bubble solutions for varied bubble sizes and effects. And hey, while you're checking out new ways to play, don't forget to look in the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.